incidents were linked.
4 teens ages 15 to 16 were arrested after a SWAT standoff and charged for aggravated murder and robbery. LegalRideshare LLC attorney and co-founder Bryant Greening says rideshare drivers are easy targets.
They're often pulled over on the side of the road. Their doors are unlocked. They're expecting that people are going to get in and out of their vehicles, so their guards are often down.
A statement from a Lyft spokesperson in response to the incident says, safety is fundamental to Lyft and the actions that led to the events of this morning are reprehensible. We've reached out to law enforcement to offer our assistance with their investigation, and we'll continue our efforts to combat this senseless violence and help keep drivers safe. LegalRideshare LLC offers dash cams to rideshare drivers. Greening says he would like to see rideshare companies and lawmakers take action.
Put some real money, real technology into making rideshare as safe as it can be. And we'd also like to see the state and local governments step in with some regulations that require safety for not only the passenger, but the driver as well.
Dayton police believe they have located everyone involved in both incidents, but anyone with additional information is asked to contact DPD or Crime Stoppers at 222-STOP. In the studio, Allison Gens, 2 News, working for you.
And you can follow all of our coverage